prioritization schemes. See, there may be n number of features which has been listed by the clients, and how are we going to prioritize? Like what features need to be built one, and another is what features we will give priority first, and then the next priority, and so on. Basically prioritizing the features. To prioritize the features, we are going to have various methods. So one of the method is simple scheme. Simple scheme is as simple as categorizing the features or prioritizing the features as high, medium, and low. But the one challenge with this is clients may tend to list down all the features as high. Correct? So this is the challenge with the simple scheme. Then there is another method called as MOSCO. To see the abbreviation, it is must have, should have, could have, would like to have, but not this time. First, let me say what is what, and then we will see an example to have a better understanding. Must have is these features are mandatory, without which the product will not work. Should have is these features, without these features, still the product can work, but there is require an extra effort or a workaround. Could have is these features enhances the user experience. Would like to have, but not this time. These are features which, would like to have, but not this time. This is like a luxury feature. If we have funds and time, let's have these features, or else let us not have. So let's take the example of building of a bike. We are going to build a bike and manufacture a bike. Then what are the features? Must have feature. Without this feature, the product will not work. Okay. Yeah. Should have is without this feature, still the product can work, but it requires a extra effort or extra time. Can you think of any feature without which you can still operate, but with an alternative option, you may require more time or effort?
Yeah, starter like fixed
correct.
and shifting. Yeah, starter is there. We can use it, or we can fix start that is it. Anyway,
Correct. So the self-starter would be a
self-start.
good
Yeah.
example. Excellent. And now could have. Could have is the feature that enhances the user experience. Maybe a good brake system, a good seating.
Yeah.
So all these are going to enhance the user experience. Would like to have, but not this time. Maybe a luxury feature, which is nice to have. An inbuilt GPS, built mobile charger, those would be a would like to have, but not this time. If at all the funds and the time is there, we will build it. So I hope you understood what is MOSCO. In this way, we can prioritize the basic features and go step by step. And then monopoly money. Monopoly money is, I hope you would have played or seen, watched people or kids playing this trade game.
Yeah, right.
Monopoly or trade game, right? Where
Right,
there are artificial money given and they bet on the cities. So in a similar way, here let us visualize that there are good number of features which has been listed down. So those features are going to be listed and displayed. Now, each of us, let us say we are all participating in prioritizing the features. Each of us are getting a money like that equivalent to the budget money. Let's take 50 lakhs as the budget. You're going to get 50 lakhs. I get 50 lakhs. Sumesh and Bala, each of us are going to get 50 lakhs. And then based on the priority we place on each of the features, each of us are going to place the value on those features. See, let's say one of the feature, I think it is very, very important. Then let's say out of 50 lakhs I'm placing 10 lakhs on one feature. And I'm placing 50,000 on another feature, 2 lakhs on another feature. So this 50 lakhs, I'm going to distribute on all these features. Now, likewise, you are going to do that exercise. Each of us are going to place those value on, distribute the money, the budget money we have on the features. Now, at the end of the exercise, based on how much money each of the feature is accumulating, based on that, we are going to prioritize the features. This is called as monopoly money. Next is 100-point method. See, it is in a similar way, but the only difference is each of us are getting 100 points. So as we distributed money there, here we are going to distribute the points on the features. And at the end of the exercise, how many ever points, the features are going to be prioritized based on the points it is going to accumulate. So this is next is dot voting and multi-voting. It is again in a similar way. But the thing is, each of us are going to get a specific number of votes. And let's say each of us are getting 20. There are 100 features to be prioritized. Generally, the votes, each of us would be allocated 20% of the feature, which is we are going to get what 20 votes. Each of us would be getting 20 votes. Okay. Now, we will be distributing each of us similar way. Each of us are going to place our votes on each of the features. At the end of the exercise, whichever feature is going to accumulate more votes are going to be prioritized. So these are few of the prioritization schemes.